Hi, this is INFINIX Hot 30 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first open the phone application, then tap on the settings icon, but not in recents, in contacts tab. Tap to the settings icon and you'll see here blocked section. Here you'll see the blacklist. If you get here some numbers, you will find them here, so I'll just add one number here to show you the example. And just to remove your numbers, to unblock them, you should click here to this trash icon, confirm your action by tap to remove, and now we could see that this number has unblocked successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.